how to do your PI verification, how to do your mainnet verification on PI, and how to do your KYC verification on PI. PI is something, a coin that people are looking up to, that is going to be the second to Bitcoin or even greater than Bitcoin. Already, people, even at the pre-market state, people are buying PI coin at equivalent of $1 or thereabout. And this is just the pre-market. In fact, some people said they will never sell it even at that amount, so they're keeping their PI. So buying PI even at the pre-market level now is scarce. But there are certain things that you need to do to prepare you to be able to secure and to be able to get your PI coin when the list come December 31st, as they said. I am hoping that they will extend the listing because some people just joined recently and we have about 154 days or so to the end of the PI mining. Now, on Pi, all you need to do is to show up every 24 hours and click the mining aspect, and then it continues to mine for you for 24 hours. The number of referrals you have on Pi is going to help you to be able to increase your mining rate. I have different accounts, but the account I'm showing in this video is one of my accounts. So what you do to verify your Pi and to do your KYC and to verify or to confirm your mainnet and other things is to click on the left hand side of the Pi app. The three lines, you click on it. When you click on it, the first one is home, the second one is mainnet, the third one is Pi browser, the fourth one is utilities, the fifth one is MinePi, the sixth is referral, the next one is rules, the next one is chat, the next one is node, the next one is FAQ, the next one is white paper, the next one is support, the next one is care team, the next one is profile. Then you have the opportunity to follow Pi on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, on X, and even on Instagram. Now let's come to the first one, which is or the mainnet. After home, on that three dots, on that three lines you click, you have mainnet. So you click on the mainnet aspect, and on this place you see the balance dashboard. It said this is a breakdown of your total Pi mined, as shown at the top of this mining app. So on this page, I have 8.217 pi, which is unverified, and the transferable ones is 1.370. Many people are in this kind of category where the transferable one is just about 10% of what they have in the total pi. So the unverified is a lot. So the unverified balance can be converted, the transferable balance can be transferred, and the migrated balance can be migrated to mainnet. Now, what I want to show you here is the next line, which is the mainnet checklist. When you click on the mainnet checklist, please, you have to do this yourself on your app. You click on the mainnet checklist, and then it's going to show you that the deadline is about 153 days or thereabout. So you can't come to mainnet checklist, which is below. It says download Pi browser app. So you have to click on that and then download the Pi browser app. So you follow the process and download it. That is part of the process of verification. The next thing you need to do after you have verified is to come back again and create a Pi wallet. So you click on this. Since you have downloaded the Pi browser app, it's going to lead you to that Pi browser app to create your wallet. The seed phrase are there. You can copy it on your phone and save it in your notes on your phone, because you're going to need it again later. Some people, what they do is that they write it down and then they have to be typing it one after the other. It's laborious. So you can copy it maybe to somebody's WhatsApp and send it as WhatsApp, or copy it to an email, or copy that key seed phrase somewhere so that you can be able to copy it back easily, because you're going to be needing it anytime you want to log in. The security here is very tight. Then you have to confirm your Pi wallet. So after you have created the Pi wallet, you have to come back and confirm it. And how you confirm it is to copy. You are going to also log in with that seed phrase you have. So you copy the seed phrase again and use it. Then after copying the seed phrase and using it, then they're going to ask you for your wallet address. And when you do this, it's going to click completed. After doing this, it's going to say commit to lockup configuration. So the amount you want to commit to lockup configuration, you click on that and then you follow through. The instruction on lockup is there. Lockup means that it's like you are investing, you are saving some amount of money, which is like fixed deposit on the Pi network, which you are not going to touch, which you cannot sell, which you cannot use. So that you can do that. If the higher you commit to lockup configuration, the higher your earning potential is going to be. After this, the next thing is to secure your account. If your account has been secured, you are going to see that it is completed. If it is not secure, click it and follow the steps herein and secure the account. Then the next thing is to sign acknowledgement to receive tokens start. So you click on that again and then follow the process to sign an acknowledgement to receive your tokens start. So you do that. Then the next thing which many people are finding difficult is the KYC. Now he said submit your KYC application. When you click on this, if there's opportunity for you to be verified immediately, it's going to lead you to the KYC verification. But there are a lot of people on the queue for KYC replication. So what you do is you click on it and it's going to notify you that there are a lot of people doing the KYC at the moment, and then you are going to be notified when it is time for you, when the opportunity arises for you to do the KYC. So click on it, and maybe every week you go back and check on submit your KYC application. So by the time you do this, you're going to see that everything is going to be okay. So you can now the next thing is wait for KYC record. Because you have not submitted your KYC application, the wait for KYC records will not be active. Then migrate to mainnet also is there, will not be active until when you have done your KYC verification. Now, we don't need to be afraid, though it's showing us that we have a number of days to the end of the mining. But I know they are going to make allowance for those who are mining and who have not done their KYC verification. Now, after you go back to the balance dashboard, okay, let's go back now to the main page where we come in. Then click the three dots again, click on mainnet again. Then under that we have the unverified balance, transferable balance, migrated to mainnet. Then we have mainnet checklist, which we have looked at. Then the next thing is configure lockup rate. So you can configure your lockup rate, which I've explained already. In this configure lockup rate, you go there and say, okay, you can increase the amount you are going to lock up, or you can decrease it. If you increase the amount you're locking up, your mining rate will increase and your mining rate will increase. What it means is that you can't withdraw that one. It's like fixed deposit that you put in the bank. The more the fixed deposit, the more the interest rate. Then the next one is increase transferable balance. So you click on that and follow the instructions that are there to increase your transferable balance. Then you can renew white paper chapters. This is just an advanced state of it. So this is how it is done, how you can verify and your mainnet and your KYC on Pi network on the Pi app. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one. So if you have any question or comments, you can drop it in the comment section. Like you can be, some people may ask me, can we now join Pi at this moment? Yes, you can join Pi even now. And what you need to do is to click on the link to join Pi in the description section of this video. I'm going to also leave it in the comment section. It's going to be the first comment there. So you can go ahead and click it and join Pi. And when you join Pi, I'm going to see you among those who joined under me. And what I do is that I've created a group that where we mine all these crypto airdrop apps, and I give them information from day to day on what to do and what not to do. There are certain people that they are inactive on the Pi network. You don't go there to check and to click and to keep mining every 24 hours. I send reminders to them and I give them information. In fact, this video is meant for those people, and but every other person also will benefit from this video. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. My name again is Dr. David Olubengali. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, this video coming up by the side is the next thing to see. On this channel, I make videos on how to make money both online and offline. So come along, and you are going to be glad to see. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep mining and keep making money.